Today, we're diving deep into something we all need to think about: retirement savings. I know it might sound a bit dull, but trust me, it's crucial. So, let's break it down and find out how much you should have saved for retirement by your age group. First things first, if you're in your 20s, like me, you might be thinking, retirement, that's ages away. But here's the deal: the sooner you start saving, the better off you'll be. Time is your best friend when it comes to building a comfortable retirement fund. So, let's get started. If you're in your 20s, you've got an amazing advantage on your side: time. At this stage, it's less about a specific dollar amount and more about building the habit of saving. The goal is to start putting away around 15 to 20% of your income. Yes, it sounds like a lot, but remember, you've got time for your money to grow. And by the time you're in your 30s, you should have saved the equivalent of your annual salary. So if you're making $40,000 a year, aim to have $40,000 saved up by the time you hit your 30s. Now, if you're in your 30s and you haven't quite hit that one-year salary savings goal, don't stress. In your 30s, you're likely dealing with significant life events. You might be settling down, starting a family, or buying a home. These milestones come with their own financial obligations and can make saving as challenging as it is necessary. Life's journey is personal, and everyone's pace is unique. Ideally, you should aim to have saved around 3 times your annual salary. For example, if you're earning $50,000 a year, having $150,000 saved is a great goal. This milestone is an important one because it lays the foundation for your future financial security. Your 40s are when things start to get serious. By now, you should aim to have about 6 times your annual salary put away. In your 40s, you might be in the midst of raising a family, paying for your children's education, or taking care of aging parents. These responsibilities can strain your finances, making it even more vital to have a robust retirement fund. By this age, you might still have a mortgage and other debts. Being prepared for retirement means having a plan to pay off these financial obligations before you retire. If you continue saving at the same rate as in your 20s and 30s, you should have a substantial amount saved up. Suppose you've consistently saved 15 to 20% of your income since your 20s. By your 40s, you could have accrued anywhere from $90,000 to $120,000, assuming your salary remained relatively consistent. And that's a great start. The idea here is to have enough saved so that your investments can continue growing over the next couple of decades. The longer your money is invested, the more it can benefit from compounding. With a substantial fund in your 40s, you're in a better position to take advantage of this compounding effect. Your 40s are also an excellent time to assess your retirement goals. Having a substantial savings fund can give you the freedom to consider when and how you'd like to retire. This could involve semi-retirement or a career change to something you're more passionate about. You're at a point in your life where it's necessary to take retirement planning seriously. The goal of saving about 6 times your annual salary provides you with a solid financial foundation to secure your future retirement. It's a time when you need to balance your immediate financial responsibilities with your long-term retirement goals. The sooner you start saving and investing in your 40s, the brighter your retirement future will be. As you head into your 50s, retirement becomes more of a reality. You've likely established a certain lifestyle that you want to maintain in retirement. This includes your housing, healthcare, and daily living expenses. Having substantial savings ensures that you can continue living comfortably without significant financial strain. You'll want to be in a good place financially, so your goal here is to have about 8 times your annual salary saved up. So, if you're making $70,000 a year, aim for around $560,000 in your retirement account. This amount can provide the financial cushion you need to cover your regular expenses. Healthcare expenses often increase as you age. Medicare helps cover some medical costs, but it doesn't cover everything. Having substantial retirement savings allows you to pay for medical expenses, long-term care, or supplemental health insurance without depleting your savings too quickly. If you're in good health now, you might not be considering healthcare expenses. However, as you age, healthcare costs can become a significant portion of your budget. Your retirement savings will ensure you can handle these expenses comfortably. Now, when you're in your 60s and beyond, it's time to hit the home stretch. By your early 60s, your goal is to have around 10 times your annual salary saved. People are living longer. With advances in healthcare and improved living conditions, many of us can expect to live well into our 80s and 90s. That means you need savings that can sustain you for potentially 20 to 30 years in retirement. To maintain your current lifestyle in retirement, you'll need a substantial nest egg. While certain expenses might decrease, others, like healthcare costs, may increase. Having 10 times your annual salary gives you the financial cushion to do the things you love without worrying about running out of money. Over the years, the cost of living tends to rise due to inflation. To ensure that your purchasing power remains strong throughout your retirement, you'll need a significant amount of savings to account for the increased costs. Emergencies or unexpected events can happen at any age. From health issues to major home repairs, having extra savings ensures you're prepared for any surprises life might throw your way. While aiming for 10 times your annual salary may seem like a lofty goal, it's a prudent approach to ensure you have a comfortable and financially secure retirement. By diligently saving and investing throughout your working years, you'll be in a much stronger position to face the challenges and uncertainties that may arise in your later years. It's about peace of mind and the ability to enjoy your retirement to the fullest. So, how much should you have saved for retirement by your age group? Well, it's all about building good habits. Start early, save consistently, and make the most of the power of compound interest. Remember, your future self will thank you for every dollar you save today. Retirement is a time for relaxation and pursuing hobbies you're passionate about. Whether it's travel, pursuing a new skill, or dedicating time to your interests, retirement savings give you the financial freedom to enjoy your newfound free time. Maybe you've always dreamed of traveling in retirement. Having sufficient savings means you can explore new places without constantly worrying about your budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more fantastic financial tips. Let's all make our retirement dreams come true, one smart financial move at a time. Until next time, my savvy friends, stay wise and start saving for your retirement today.